Welcome back at 9:50 right now, and while college students are already getting settled in on campus, a lot of them of course, now is when parents start getting those calls about last-minute items that they need, right? So here was some of the best products to maximize the minimal dorm room space. Author and entrepreneur Christina Daves, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you, thanks.
And she might have already solved one of my kind of ongoing problems at my house, so we'll get to that in a second. But where are we going to start? Over here with this organizer?
Okay. So here's the thing with apartments and dorms. You don't have horizontal space. You've got to go vertical.
Sure.
So everyone thinks this is just a shoe organizer. This is a 20-pocket hanging organizer from Amazon. I've got snacks. We've got cleaning supplies. There are cups. Medicine.
You could probably work shoes in there too?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah,
of course,
That's awesome. So that's from Amazon.
This is from Amazon.
Okay, what about price-wise-ish?
Oh, I think about $30.
Okay, great.
Yeah. This is my daughter. My daughter's a sophomore now. She was in the dorm last year.
Yes.
This is her favorite product.
The hanging device here that you're looking at, yeah.
Right. So you double your closet space with this, and this is from Home Depot.
Okay.
So and you said this is going to be perfect for you.
Yeah, because I have a high shelf in my son's room. My son can't reach the top shelf, so we're like, I'm gonna have to build another shelf. No. This actually might solve that problem.
There you go.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're glad I could help.
Okay, what about this?
I love this. This is from
cute.
Pottery Barn Teen. It's an over-the-door mirror. So it's a mirror, but you've got storage space in here, and then you can hang keys, jewelry, anything like that.
Bedroom door, bathroom door, whatever.
Door. Yeah, it just hooks right over.
And then that's cute.
And yeah. If Megan's watching, call Mom.
She has a daughter. Yes, exactly, in this age range.
Okay, now this is so great. These are bedside organizers. So this goes on your bed. This goes under the mattress to hold it in place.
Oh,
so
okay.
if you're up in a loft or just
Sure.
a dorm. So, and it's got a tissue holder here. Put your iPad, remote control, lotion, magazines, anything.
That's great. Okay, so yeah, whether you're on a kind of a loft bed or
just
bottom
a
bed, it
regular
doesn't
bed.
matter. Okay, great.
And Kohl's, this right here is from Amazon as well.
Amazon?
Now Kohl's came out with something great. They actually put it in the sheet.
Really?
Look at that. So this is your
oh yeah, sure, the fitted sheet.
Fitted sheet.
Yeah.
And it's right on the side of your bed.
Awesome.
Isn't that great?
I mean, and college kids, this probably won't always be water, unfortunately, knowing college kids. Not your daughter. Not your daughter.
I've got a son in college too. I've got two. I know what's in those bottles.
A little cocktail holder as you fall asleep.
Yeah.
All right, this is
okay. And I saw this
useful.
in action last week, and one of my kids' friends had this. This lifts up your bed. So you have space.
Storage.
Exactly.
Okay, because as you said, I mean, everything is so minimal in a dorm. Okay.
Right. And look at this. You've got plugs on here too.
Oh, really?
So you can get this from Bed Bath & Beyond. So they're
shoot.
bed risers.
Okay.
Pretty neat and very useful.
It's taking it to the next step because
Takes
bed risers
and then you can put things
plug
underneath.
It in. That's awesome.
And you've got your plugs too.
Great.
Okay, this is great. This is socket shelf.
Okay.
And we built a shelf right here for you. So it turns one plug into 6 plugs, and you've got USB.
And the USB.
Right. Isn't that amazing?
Awesome. That's great.
Yeah, and then you rest. You've got my iPad there. You put your phone there, whatever you need.
And where can people get that?
This one is from Sharper Image.
Sharper Image.
Yes,
Perfect.
thank you.
Okay, no,
and
thank you.
This one is awesome.
You were excited about this one before.
I am so excited
I can't
about
wait
this.
to see it.
And this comes from Amazon as well.
Okay.
And, so this is a folding ottoman.
You really? Is it?
Look, so you store this under your bed with your risers.
This is amazing. If it's really what I think it is.
Yep. And actually I said Amazon. I'm pretty sure it's Bed Bath & Beyond.
That's okay.
But here you go. There you go. So here's your ottoman. You put your stuff in it. It's hard enough for someone to sit on.
Sure.
Hold on. But you have people over. And it's a table.
It actually, and the top is kind of actually a nice little wood grain. Yeah.
Isn't that great?
That is great.
Yes.
And just like that, I mean, it comes in the box like it was, and then you just flip it up like that.
So like I said, you put it under, you lift your bed up, you slide it under there, you have people over, you pull it out.
That is too great.
Isn't that
That's
great?
awesome. So that was Bed Bath & Beyond.
This is Bed Bath & Beyond.
Okay, great. So what would you say, obviously the storage and the space is very limited.
Yes.
That's your daughter's favorite.
Yes.
Do you have a favorite? Obviously you're not using them in your everyday life, but from your
Well, besides that, I love that.
This is great.
They're great. They just, this getting 6 plugs out of one.
Yeah.
That's a big problem in a dorm room. There's 2 people and you have 1 outlet.
Absolutely.
So you can plug these in, and this getting stuff under your bed, they're all great.
Great. That was the answer I was looking for. You nailed it. You passed the test.
Oh, good.
Christina Daves, thank you so much.
Thanks.
Appreciate it. And again, more information at ChristinaDaves.com.